up, everybody? I hope y'all are well out there. I am Jaren. I am a voice teacher, speech trainer, and the founder and owner of this amazing studio, the Jaren Ambler Studio. Y'all, this artist is so near and dear to me. She is one of my inspirations. I love her so much. Ever since she first came on the scene with Missy, I have been a hardcore fan of hers. This girl can sing. I just love her so much. And besides that, this song means so much to me because it kind of encapsulates part of my testimony, part of my story in song, you know, and the lyrics behind the song and what the song means and what the song says. And I love her execution. I love the musicality of it. And I've never talked about her on this channel in this form, so I'm going to get to her now. So y'all, without further ado, here is one of my favorite artists. Here is a voice analysis of Tweet singing I Was Created for This.
So many times I tried to run away. I couldn't find rest cause there was no hiding place.
So many times I tried to run away. I love how everything's kind of connected. It's almost like a Scoopy legato. So many times I tried to run away. And then run away. Was it run away? Run away. So the A-Y or W-A-Y of way was kind of thrown. Run away. With a little breathiness. Cause there was no hiding place. There's a little bit of a delay and kind of just a nice ease to this song. That she has. She's so good at this ease, this easy singing. She's so good at this.
Then I heard a voice come up from deep within, say, this is who I am. I no longer can pretend.
This is who I am. So almost like the M had its own duration with a little schwa, a little neutral vowel at the end. I can no longer can pretend. So a lot of these endings of these phrases are kind of thrown. So many times I tried to run away. Couldn't find rest, there was a hiding place. Then I heard a voice come up from deep within, say. You see everything's kind of thrown with a little breathiness? That's what I'm talking about right there.
I was created for this. Ooh, I was created for this.
Ooh, I was created. That breathiness on the I was created for this. Yay! It's just that vibrato, the breathiness, and the ease. I was created for this. Yeah, it's just that easiness right there. Woo! That breathiness is just so magical to me. Also like the looseness, if you will, the cohesive looseness of the background vocalists on this song. It's almost like they kind of come in softly and kind of echo her. I love that element, you know, and I don't say loose as in they don't know what they're doing. This is clearly well organized. It's just, I love the freedom, maybe that's a better word, the freedom or the free cohesiveness of the background vocals texture with tweets. I just like how they kind of put that together a little bit, yeah.
Cause I'm chosen. I believe that's what it is. You gave me a song for me to tell a story.
Give me a song for me. Woo, that little run right there, yes. The little stuff. I keep talking about that in a lot of videos. It's these little moves to me that make a huge difference. You don't gotta be, he give me a song for me. Now you don't gotta do all that. He give me a song for me to tell a story. And you know, I had to learn that too. I used to be the one that always wanted to riff and run all over the place, especially when I was like 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, please give me a song I can run on. You know, but the older I've gotten, the more I'm like, you don't gotta do all that. Just sing the song, you know, just sing the song. And people know you can sing, you don't gotta show all your cards in one song, you know what I'm saying? So I love the simplicity of this song and the simplicity of this message too. I hope y'all are getting the words as much as music because this is a great song.
And my life's poured out only for your glory. Yeah.
Only for your glory. Yeah. So it's glory. Yeah, so they kind of broke up the glory vowel, glory, E, then yeah, I was created.
I was created for this little old me. Yeah, yeah. I was created for this.
She's a crooner. Tweet is a crooner. And from what I understand, I think she was inspired a lot by quartets, like gospel quartets. You can hear it. Little old me. That vibrato pace singing, kind of how she said that little line right there. And you can even hear the background vocals. They're kind of like a quartet, all of them together with Tweet and the background vocals. It's kind of like a quartet. Like it's kind of the feel and the vibe, the undertone, the texture of a quartet. You know, kind of a gospel quartet right there.
I was created to do this here. I was created for this. Say I was created for this. I was created for this.
Yeah, that little run right there. Did y'all hear that? It was easy. She stays in this easy thin fold. Yeah, yeah. I totally did it wrong, but that yeah, whatever it was right there. Woo! That was a nice little lick up there.
I am persuaded I'm gonna be all that you created me to be. Down in the line, the reason I'm here to help someone along the way.
Ah! Yeah, boy. Whatever that run was right there. It is how she sat on each note. And she took her time on each note. She really slowed down that run. It's just really cool play on a vocal line right there.
I was created to be right here.
You hear that? Created to be right here. So she really sings in these consonants and vowels and really gives each consonant and vowel its own duration and time and texture. Created, instead of created to be right here. So she takes her time, really sings through each phoneme, each sound.
No matter what comes my way, I know that I was created to do this here, yeah. I was created. Can you help me say yeah? Help me say yeah.
Help me say yeah. Woo! Sing Tweet. And it's that easy singing. Even to hear a little bit more of a chestier, thicker sound she has right here. She's kind of getting a little more thicker inside, and the song's building up a little bit. But even in that, she's really staying thin and really staying easy. She's just such an easy vocalist. And the stuff just flows out of her mouth like it's nothing. Ooh, I love it. Now she make it a little more gritty. Yeah. She had a little grit in there, a little squall. She's a squaller. She gets that squall in there. She's bringing it in. Now that the song is kind of going to the vamp, if you will, or kind of just driving or heading out. Yeah.
I'm gonna go back and say that I was created for this. I was created for this.
And you notice how soft the consonants are. I was created for this. It wasn't for this. See, those easy consonants, they're so clear. They're just easy and chill and quiet. I was created for this. Yeah, that gives it to the texture of the song. You don't want hard consonants on this song. You don't want super harsh articulation. You don't want that. You want clear and easy and chill. Because of the song, it just said, yeah.
I was created to do this here. I was created for this. I know that I know. I know that I know. I was created for this. I was created to do this. this here.
Do this here. That direction to the vowels and consonants to do this here. It wasn't here. She didn't put the R in. Here. I kind of wants more of an open neutralized vowel right there. You see what I'm saying? The band going to church too a little bit. They got the little chorus coming. See, that would have took me somewhere if I was there. That would have took me somewhere, okay? Woo! Yeah, you kind of see it, the grit and the smile and the bite is coming in. Yeah. You see it. And she's getting more chesty, more thicker, more grittier in the vocal folds and in her sound. If you enjoyed this analysis, click subscribe down below to click the alert button next to it so you know when the next video is posted. And as I will always say to you, be vocally bold, creative, and aware, but most of all, be vocally you. You were creative for this. Do it, y'all. I love you. I'll see y'all soon.